Hello YouTube, this is the Colorado Chevrolet ZR2. Really nice in color pink. Not lots of parts, so I think this is gonna come up as single unit pretty quick. Not a huge battery right here. Just 12 volts. Nice controller right here. Also says 12 volts right there. Accelerator pedal, everything's already connected here. Steering wheel goes easy. Like to see this on and off. We will assemble this right now and see how it goes. Looks like it's gonna be easy. This has been a really quick assembly. So I did the screw right here, did the screw right there and here. Now we move to the wheel cover, which I hope just snaps in place. Really nice design, double colors, Chevy logo over there. I'm missing two here, need to figure it out, where is it? And then this one goes right here. There you go. Now we think we have everything. Bumpers right here. I see this bumper here, I need to figure out where do I install this one. It doesn't seem to be in the front because I already have one in the front. Yeah, car looks really nice, really cool headlights, beautiful design, beautiful hood. ZR2 Chevrolet Colorado right here. It's a licensed model from Chevy. Doors opens right here. Really cool. We'll do a full review of this car later on. Nice stickers for the tail lights, nameplate, Chevrolet Colorado ZR2. Yeah, that's it. That's about it. And it is also very light. Comes with a remote control as well. Anthony going by himself. Going good. He never loses an opportunity to climb some places and the car just keeps on going. Hey Anthony, let's go. Let's climb over there. Wanna go right there. Keep on going. It's working really good. Look at that. It just stopped. Now Anthony's gonna test this one. It's 12 volts. It's pink color, has really cool lights in the front. It's a Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 license. You see the Colorado nameplate over there. Nice wheel covers as well. And Anthony is going to drive this right here on the pavement as well as in the grass. Are you ready? Let's go. Doing pretty good, Anthony. Go in the grass, Anthony. Anthony is 4 years old, turning 4 tomorrow. Well, depends on when you're watching this. Today is the 24th of April, and he's gonna be 4 years old tomorrow. Oh my God! Good job, Anthony. Keep on going. Oh, I don't think you're gonna pass through the tree. So maybe back off, back, and then turn the car. All right, go now. Working good, Anthony, working good. Not bad. Keep on going. Let's go all the way there let's go all the way there in the sun. You wanna do the seat belt?
Where?
I don't know. I think it's missing here one part. We'll have to fix it later.
Where is it?
I don't know. Let's go. Keep on coming. You're doing good. Come right here. "12 volts, little car, fits one kid. He's 4 years old and it was working good." Chevrolet Colorado ZR2. That's the model number right here. ZR2 Colorado. Right here, Anthony, let's go over here. Ah, working good. Working good, Anthony.